Hello everyone. Today's topic is text view in Android. Okay, we will see how to create the text view, how to change the text, how to set the size, how to change the color of text view. Okay, using Android Studio. Okay, for this purpose we will create a new project. You just go to Android Studio, File, New. Okay, from New create a new project. Select an empty activity, click next. Here my application new. Okay, so whatever name you want to give, you can specify here. The language is Java. Minimum API level we are setting to 15 and click on finish. When you click on finish, it will create a new project in which we will understand the text view. So whenever the new project is created, by default a text view, okay, by default a text view will be provided. Okay, you can see here is a default text view is present with hello world name. As I told you, here is a default text view. Okay, so if you run this, okay, we will set very first we will set the coordinates of this. Okay, 70 and 450 from down, then here 170 and here is also 170. So these are the coordinates where we are setting. Okay, now we will run this with the help of jar of beans emulator. Now it is going to be installed and the activity will launch very soon. Okay, you can see here is a hello world. Okay, so we will modify this to 80. Okay, it will appears down. You can manage this. I will change to 150. So now how to change the text of text word. The by default it is hello world. You go to the code of XML, you can change here hello world new, so it will change the text. Initially it was hello world, now it will be hello world new. You can see here hello world new. Okay, so again you go to this view. Okay, and 400. Okay, I will modify that. Modify this one. Okay, you can change the text from here also with the attribute common attribute text hello world my new. Okay, hello world my new, you can change it from common attribute text. You can see here hello world new. So this is what we change with the help of XML and with the help of common attribute. You can change you can access this text view in Java file also. For this we need an ID, so we will set ID text1. so this ID should be same as that of in Java. Okay, whenever we are mapping this ID in the Java, so here we will create an object of text view. For example, text view tv1, this is an object of text view, and what we will do, we will assign it tv1 equal to text view find a view by ID. This is the method r dot id dot now text1. Okay, so whatever ID we have defined in XML, that should be matched with this one. This text1 and this ID, this should be the same, otherwise you will get an error. For example, instead of text 1, if I am writing only text, okay, or text 3, okay, it will give an error. So that ID should be same. text1. Okay, now this find view by id maps this text1 from resource with id text1. Now how to change the text? Okay, set text is the method that will set the text. Okay, we are now setting the value to welcome. Initially it was hello world new, now we are setting to welcome. Now when we will run, you can see the value is going to be changed, welcome. Okay, now you can see the output. Here comes the welcome. If you want to set the color, tv dot set text color, we will set it to red. Okay, it will set the color to red. Again, if you want to increase the size, okay, so we have the method set text size equal to 30 or 35. We will set the text size 35. Okay, so now you can see the output, welcome with red color, and the size will be 35. Okay, suppose we want to make, you can see, suppose we want to make all the letters to capital. So the method is tv1 dot set all caps, set all caps equal to true. Okay, so this method will set all the letters to the capital one. Okay, so if this set all caps is false, then no changes will be made. You can see here, if this is false, then no changes will be made. Okay, so this is what we have created, one text view. Suppose we want to add one more text view in this one, so go to the palette. Okay, from palette select the text, and from text select the text view, drag it and put below this text view. Okay, and set the coordinates of this. Okay, we are setting the coordinates, and the id is text view. Okay, so we will access this text view. So another text view tv2. Okay, now how to initialize this? tv2 equal to text view find view by id is the method to map find view by id r dot id dot now text view. Okay, not text. So using this you can access the second text view. So tv2 dot set text, we will set the text what we will say, hello. We will set the text to hello. tv2 dot set tv2 dot set text color, we will set the text color to color dot green. Okay, we will set the color and the size. tv2 dot set text size, we will set it to 40. Okay, and set tv2 dot set all caps equal to true. Okay, so you can see the changes. You can see the changes. Okay, hello, welcome. So this comes because of the overlapping. We will set the coordinates 350. Okay, so this is happening because we design in a Portland view and seeing in a landscape view. Okay, so you can manage these coordinates using this constraint widget. Okay, so this is what we have created, a two text view. And suppose again we want to add one more, go to palette, text view, here another text view, 70 from bottom, yes, and left and right, and here the ID is text view 2. So how to access the third text view? Text view TV3, then TV3 we have to initialize TV3 equal to text view find view by ID r dot id dot text view 2. So this third text will be match. TV3 dot set text, what we will say, we will set the text, okay, hi, this is we are going to set. Then TV3 dot set text size, we will set it to 30, okay, and TV3 dot set all caps true, and we will lastly set the color. TV3 dot set text color, okay, red, green and blue. We will set color dot blue. So this is what we have created, the text view. You can see here. So this is what we have seen, the text view, how to create the text view, how to change the text, how to change the text color, how to text the how to change the size, and how to change the color. Okay, so there are number of method you can apply on a text view. You can see all these are the methods, okay, that can be applicable on text view. So you can try these methods and have a fun, okay, and check the output. So there are number of methods are available. You check